Without sentences, we cannot express complete thoughts, ideas, or feelings. So, let's understand what a sentence is. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought and makes complete sense. So, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought and makes complete sense. So, a sentence should have a complete thought and it will make sense, complete sense. A sentence usually begins with a capital letter, ends with a full stop, a question mark, or with an exclamation mark. So we have to follow this, that a sentence usually begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation sign. So a sentence usually begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. Examples of sentences. I play cricket. This is a sentence. We can see here that in this sentence there are three words. First word is I, second word is play, and third word is cricket. So I play cricket. Here I is a word, play is a word, and cricket is a word. So this sentence has been formed with three words. I play cricket. Here I is a subject, play is a verb, and cricket is object. She is reading a book. This sentence has been formed with five words. She is reading a book. So in this sentence we get a complete thought and it makes sense, complete sense. So this is a sentence. She is reading a book. This is a sentence. They live in Kolkata. In this sentence we can see here that they is a word, live is a word, in is a word, Kolkata is a word. So here we can see four words. This sentence has been formed with four words. They is subject and live is verb. Are you ready? Here we can see that this sentence has been formed with three words. So it means are you ready? This has a complete thought. You are asking someone that are you completely prepared? Are you ready? What a beautiful day. This is also a sentence. This sentence has been formed with four words. So what is a word? A is a word, beautiful is a word, day is a word. So in this sentence we can see four words. So another thing we have mentioned earlier, that a sentence will begin with capital letter. So we can see in the first word that she. In she, S is capital. In they, T is capital. In R, A is capital. In what, W is capital. So it's clear that a sentence, and in the first sentence we can see I is in capital letter. So we this is clear to us that a sentence begins with capital letter. The first letter of the first word will be in capital letter. Okay, so another thing we have seen that a sentence will end with a full stop or a question mark or with an exclamation sign. In these sentences we can see that the first sentence has ended with a full stop. In the second sentence there is a full stop at the end. In the third sentence, we can see there is a full stop. In the fourth sentence, as this is an interrogative sentence, so in this sentence we can see this sentence has been ended with a question mark, In the fifth sentence, we can see that in this sentence, this is an exclamatory sentence. So this sentence has been ended with an exclamation sign. So it's clear to us that a sentence will start with a capital letter and a sentence will end with full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. Now we will see some examples that are not sentences. First example is playing in the park. Here there is a group of words, but it's not a sentence because it does not express the complete thought. We can't find here a complete thought, and this doesn't make any sense, and it doesn't follow any sentence rule, sentence structure, so we can't consider it as a sentence. In the next, because I was tired, here it is also not a sentence because we can't find here a complete thought. It doesn't express a complete thought. Next, the red car. Here we can see that this group of words don't express complete thoughts. So in these three examples, we can see that these examples do not express complete thoughts, so they are not sentence. We can consider a group of words as a sentence if they express complete thoughts. So these are not the examples of sentences. Now we will know the main parts of a sentence. Most sentences have two main parts. One is subject, another is predicate. The subject is, for example, we are taking some examples of subject. The person, place, thing or idea we talk about. So subjects will be person, place, thing, idea. These will be subject. Predicate, what we say about the subject. So subject will be person, place, thing or idea, and predicate will be what we say about the subject. This will be the predicate. What we say about the subject, this will be the predicate. So for better understanding, we are taking an example. The boy plays football. Here we can see that the boy is subject, but predicate is plays football. So subject is the boy is subject, and plays football. We are saying something about the boy. What we are saying, that the boy plays football. So the boy is subject, and as we are saying something about the subject, so the complete portion is predicate. So subject, predicate. The boy is subject and predicate is plays football. The boy is subject, predicate is plays football. So I am taking another example. Birds fly in the sky. In this sentence, we can see birds is subject and fly in the sky. This portion is predicate. Birds, subject, fly in the sky, predicate, because we are saying something about the subject. What we are saying about the subject is called predicate, is known as predicate. So birds is subject, fly in the sky is predicate. My mother cooks delicious food. Here my mother is subject and cooks delicious food is predicate. So we are saying something about the subject. What we are saying, that my mother cooks delicious food. So as I am saying something about my mother, what I am saying, this is called predicate. So my mother is subject, and the rest of the remaining portion is predicate. We are learning English here. We, the word we is subject, and are learning English, it's predicate. The sun rises in the east. Here the sun is subject and rises in the east. This portion is predicate. Rahul studies every day. Here Rahul is subject and studies every day. This portion is predicate. So I think you have understood. Right now you can divide, you can understand, you can differentiate that what is subject and what is predicate, which portion of a sentence is subject and which portion of a sentence is predicate. So let's conclude. A sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought and makes complete sense. So we are discussing again what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought and makes complete sense. So remember, it starts with a capital letter. A sentence starts with a capital letter. A sentence ends with proper punctuation. It may be full stop, it may be question mark, it may be exclamation sign. So it expresses a complete idea. So you have to keep in mind these things, that a sentence starts with capital letter, a sentence ends with a proper punctuation, a sentence expresses a complete idea. Like this video, comment your answer, subscribe to the MS English for more powerful English lessons. So we have two Facebook pages. One is the MS English, another is English Skill Improvement. So visit these Facebook pages and follow for more valuable lessons. I provide valuable English lessons there. You visit the page, follow, and start your learning and continue learning. Thank you. We have an ebook store named Bookish, BOOKYSH, Bookish. So if you can search on Google payhip.com/bookish, payhip.com/bookish. So I think this book will be very helpful for you. You can purchase from this ebook store, and there is a book, the name of the book is 21 days English vocabulary course. You will get 50% off. We are concluding. So today we have learned about sentence. A sentence means a group of words. Number two is it will express, with a sentence you can express a complete thought or idea. Then a sentence begins with capital letter, then a sentence ends with proper punctuation such as full stop, question mark, exclamation sign. Then another thing is that so I think we have discussed, there are two main parts in a sentence. One is subject, another is predicate. I think you have understood, and this is very the identification of subject and predicate is very simple. You can see, for example, I play football. In this sentence, in this sentence I is subject and the remaining portion is predicate. So I is subject, remaining portion is predicate. So I think you have understood everything. So you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, the MS English, like this video, hype, and comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.